It's the beautiful cottage in ParrySound. The water. Here's the cottage. You can go all the way around the back of this place. You can run around. I'm gonna show you everything. The kitchen, the back room, the hot tub. Everything you can imagine. TV here. We'll do the upstairs first. Upstairs. Pool table, darts, foosball. Washroom in here. With a bed and a balcony. Do the downstairs. Another balcony. You can walk all around the place. Beautiful room here. Washroom attached. Comes in to some other rooms here and here. The downstairs chilling area, PlayStation, another TV, and the last but not least, which was our room, closets, washroom here, closet here, and here's the last bedroom. That's the end of our beautiful cottage weekend. What a trip. It was great. Let's go.